What's up, guys? It is Saturday 23rd of December and government's been gracious enough to grant us with another lovely weekend of crayfish diving, so we're gonna make the best of that. We're back here at Hangklip now, and it's looking very beautiful right over there. And it is a bit of a cloudy day, as you can see there. I'll roll some of that drone clips, but yeah, we're gonna head in now, straight get up and get in like I'm used to it, and then yeah, that's the best. Maybe run, I can even shoot a fish or two. Let's go. Woo.
Where are you going? Going so fast tonight. Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the rose of life? Take a breath now. Don't hold it in too long, 'cause you might end up missing out on life's short little song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live, don't let it go. Ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live, don't let it go. Don't let it go. You've got one life to live, don't let it go. Can you let go? Let go of it all tonight. Or will you decide to push on through and ignore the words inside? Take a breath now. Don't hold it in too long, 'cause you'll find you're missing out a life's short little song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live, don't let it go. Ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live, don't let it go.
Ridiculous day of crayfishing, guys. Ridiculous. Was flipping awesome. So guys, what a lovely day it was. Just finished diving and enjoying some energy drinks and some calamari and chips. And there's some whales in the distance. I wanted to send up the drone, but unfortunately it's a bit windy, as you could probably hear. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Cheers.
Hey guys, so yeah, this is the next one. Psych. Oh, this is the one, but yeah.